Pulled a YLD file off a combine harvester monitor and need to actually see the yield data? This is precision agriculture data from in-field harvest monitoring systems. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through opening, mapping, and analyzing these yield monitor data files. If the standard fixes fail, I have a plan B, a proprietary technique that almost always works on stubborn YLD files. YLD files are data files generated by yield monitor systems installed on agricultural harvesting equipment. They record real-time crop yield measurements, GPS coordinates, moisture content, harvest speed, and grain flow data, enabling precision agriculture analysis, field mapping, and variable rate application planning for farm management. Yield monitor YLD files use binary or proprietary text formats specific to the manufacturer, such as John Deere Case IH or AgLeader. The format stores time-stamped logger records with GPS latitude, longitude, yield, mass flow rate, moisture percentage, header position, and machine telemetry following manufacturer-specific data dictionary specifications. For managing YLD files, the best dedicated software is SMS software from AgLeader technology. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows has limited support for data structures, so proper viewing depends on matching tools. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your YLD file, then choose Open With. You should start with SMS software if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. If you still cannot open your YLD file, that is okay. To avoid future errors, let's talk about why the file is stuck. Here is a list of the key technical reasons this YLD format often fails to open. First, loading in farm management software. Import the YLD file into farm management platforms such as John Deere Operations Center Climate Field View or AgLeader SMS software. These applications parse the yield data and display it as color-coded yield maps overlaid on field boundaries with statistical analysis tools for evaluating spatial yield variability across the field. Next, converting to Shapefile. Use SMS software or QGIS with appropriate plugins to convert YLD data to ESRI shapefile format for use in standard GIS applications. The conversion preserves point data, with yield attributes enabling integration with other spatial data layers like soil samples, elevation models, and management zone delineations. Finally, analyzing yield patterns. Open the YLD file in Advanced Agricultural Analysis software to identify yield trends and correlate with input data. Generate yield maps, prescription files, and zone management plans. Compare year-over-year data to identify productivity patterns and develop variable rate seeding fertilizer and lime application strategies for the upcoming season. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often a practical way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When even the specialized programs couldn't crack the file, the issue is beyond simple fixes. File Magic is the next step, a powerful universal program designed to read the hundreds of formats that frustrate Windows. Find it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.